Last time on Madcat sailing, made the most of the bad weather. Morning! Well, it's about 7:30 in the morning and it's looking like we've got a few decent days, a lot better than last time. It were horrible, that 10 gale force 10 the wind was. Try and sleep through that on a boat when you feel like you're going to be doing a Dorothy. Not pleasant. So we're going to crack on. It's fast approaching April now. We're currently at the beginning of March, so I've still got quite a bit of work to do on the boat, so see what this next few days I can manage to get done, so we'll see. But first things first, I think it's a brew o'clock and a bit of breakfast. Give me some energy. Woo! That's what I need, a bit of energy. Get me going. Well, you may remember me mentioning the pintle needed doing. Davey's just assessing what we need to do to repair it. So Davey, what do you reckon to it? Can we save it? What's that? You what? He always says get another boat. Davey, we don't want another boat, we've got a boat. I think we'll fix the pintle, so watch this next segment and watch us do our magic. Don't know what we're doing, but we'll give it a go. Well, I started my pintle and it's turned out into a bigger job than what I wanted it to be, but I've ended up shaving a little bit off just to give a bit more of a gap down this edge for turning, and raised the pintle up by a few mil because when I originally did it I rushed a lot of the work, so it would just get it in place and see how we get on with it. So now what I've done is I've ended up raising it by about 5 mil and took a little bit off the top edge here now. So this is now back in its original position. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to re-fiberglass all this edge, not taking it as thick as I did last time. I still know the strength will be still there as well because it's back to its original shape or somewhere near, so we'll go ahead now and get some fiberglass prepped. Well, we're all prepped. I've acetone down, bucket's ready, gone for West System 205 and fast hardener. But I could have done with a slower one really, just to give me a bit more working time. That's all I had in my van, so it'll do. And then also a barrier coat additive. Now I'll chuck a load of this in because it's like a wax additive which will create a waterproof barrier around what I'm doing here. Good to go. So the next big job's going to be my hatch. I wasn't sure on how to go about getting some decent seals for the edge of it, but I've managed to find this. I'm using it for the windows at the minute and it sticks like to a blanket, as they say. So we're going to do that. Davey's just undoing the hatch now. Are we ready, Davey? Are we ready? Cheers, Davey. Good job. So what we're going to do is clean all this edge up, give us something, a decent surface to stick it to, and Also going to do away with the air vent. I don't feel it's a necessity on a boat of my size, because once you're at sea and you want it to be as sealed as well as possible. Get to marinas and stuff, no trouble, you just open the hatch and job done. As much fresh air in there as you want. So onwards and upwards. I'm now going to change the actual doorway to the companionway. I've decided to do it with perspex and see how we get on with that. Just something a little different. I'll show you the before and I'll show you the after, cause my GoPro's actually ran out of charge at the minute, so this is my next option. So here's the actual doorway as it is now. Backside to it. Day 3 on the little yellow yacht. Finally work can start. Well, I'm gonna start because I need to start. The wind's still howling at like force 10 now and again, but I've got jobs to do. The sun's shining, that's a good thing. So back to the windows now on day 3. If you're wondering why Davey's holding that stick, it's not to crack me and make sure I keep doing my work. It's actually for this. The reason being, cheers Davey, is so when you're short of crew, what you can do is, I'll show you this. You can put that on there, like that, and then you can get another one for the outside, and then you start doing that. So it gives you extended arms. Up there for dancing, down there for thinking. So yeah, try and explain that when you're resting across the cabin of a roof, and explain why your right arm's shaking inside the cabin. We won't even go there. Time to crack on. No matter what the weather, we've got jobs to do. Get ready for summer. Summer 2019, it's coming, it's coming. Carry on. I'm not saying this will work on every occasion, but I just thought I'd show you. I've got this inside, and I've set this up outside, and it's just resting there like that, and voila, they come apart. Same way to tighten them up as well. Simple but does the job. Easier with 2 of you, but someone's a bit lazy bones. So yeah, crack on. Well, I've done one half of the window, just got these last few to do, and then we'll come back another day and suss out what we're going to do with the backside. Yeah, I said backside. So we'll save that for another day. Thank you for watching Madcat Can't Fix It. If there's anything that you want fixing, don't come to us. Well, that's it for this week's episode. I'll look at the sunshine now. 3 days of strong winds. By the time I want to go home, it sunshines. Typical, innit? Catch you next time, guys. See you soon. See you, Davey. Catch us next time, guys. 115 bolts later. Sun is shining, sky is blue. 115 bolts later. Before you go, guys, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.